What's up, everybody? This your boy Stretch with another early look. Well, not so early. This one actually dropped today. This is the Nike Air Huarache 2K4 Sue Bird. They released again today, July 24th, with the retail price of $200 USD. And don't forget about the kid, man. I'm on a road to 3,000 subs. Please, if you can, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell. It'll be much obliged. This colorway is inspired by Sue Bird, the 4-time WNBA champ, 13-time All-Star, and future first ballot Hall of Famer. They are inspired by the colors of the Seattle Storm, a team that she spent most of her years with. They feature a synthetic leather white upper with green overlays. You got yellow on the outsole. Hold on, let's do the strap test. Birdie lands on the lateral ankle. Her number 10 lands on the heels. Huarache 2K4 is across the strap like always. Solid colorway, Oakland A's all day. If you haven't already, check out the Kick Talk podcast. I post episodes of that weekly. My name is Stretch. This is Kick Talk, and I'm out. Peace! Oh yeah, and where the shoes at?